Hello, welcome to the Teeny Beans channel. Today we are going to talk about fine motor skill development. What is fine motor skill development? It is about developing the small muscles in a child's hand so that they get used to writing. Different exercises of fine motor development are all about pre-writing skills so that their hand muscles develop, become stronger, and they know how to hold the pencil through a pincer grip. Let us first do a small activity which includes few pegs. You can do it both in school and at home. Let the child take a peg, press it open and pin it somewhere. With this, their pencil muscles, they become stronger and they also learn how to hold the pencils with their finger. So just a small activity which they can really do anywhere, and you don't need any fancy equipment. Another activity of fine motor development is lacing something. Here I have a dressing frame where I will use the lace to lace into these eye holes. It is a simple activity for us, but for a young child, it will take some time. They'll have to coordinate their sight and their hand to ensure that the lace goes through each hole and comes out properly. Any parent or teacher can use cardboards and make holes on the sides and give them a ribbon to help them lace it. Through these, not only the fine muscle development happens, but also the hand-eye coordination takes place. Another fine motor skill activity that you can do both at school and at home is using the tweezers. The tweezers also help in developing your hand muscles. You can take an object, say here we have these balls that I will have to put in their places on the board. So I will carefully use the tweezers to pick up the ball and put it in the place on the board. And as I keep doing it, my hand muscles develop, and also another development takes place is my hand-eye coordination. This is an easy and in a very interesting way where a child can develop their fine motor skills. You see, there is another thing out here. See how these rings are here, which we can put it on this wooden pipe. Every time a child picks up this ring with their fingers and puts it in, once again the fine muscles develop and hand-eye coordination happen. You can do these in various other ways too. You don't require a material like this. A child can use a tweezer and some cotton balls to put up from one bowl and put into the other. And these you can use some pastas and a thread. A child can put the thread through the pasta, and once again the fine motor muscles develop and hand-eye coordinations happen. Another very easy fine motor skill developmental activity you can do at home and at school is using the scissors. Now this activity intrigues a child very much because scissors are such grown-up things to use. You can hand the child a scissor that is child-friendly and ask them to cut the papers with it. And every time they cut, their hand muscles develop. You might even ask them just to tear the paper. Even tearing the paper increases the chance of developing the pencil muscles out here. They can use the stone paper and make crafts out of these. Now, before wrapping up today's video, there are some small tips I would like to share with you. Make sure the activities are enjoyable. While children enjoy things, only then do they learn. Make sure you give every child all the time they need to learn, because every child learns at their own pace. And ensure to include these fine motor developmental activities in their everyday life, like unclasping their boxes, opening their bottle, or buttoning up their shirt. Now, Teeny Beans is committed to ensure that a child has a holistic development. So all these motor developmental activities are included in our curriculum. Thank you today for watching this video, and why don't you check out our website and learn a little bit more about us.